अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। पिछली वीडियो में हम पढ़ चुके हैं इसका टॉपिक सीड्स, फ्लावर्स एंड सीड्स, उनकी किस तरह से पॉलिनेशन होती है विंड के ज़रिए, एनिमल्स के ज़रिए, उनके कौन कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं, किस तरह से उनमें रिप्रोडक्शन का सिस्टम चलता है। अब हम पढ़ते हैं कि पहले हम पढ़ चुके हैं पॉलिनेशन विंड और एनिमल्स के ज़रिए किस तरह पौधों में होती है। आज हम इसका टॉपिक नेक्स्ट पढ़ते हैं, पॉलिनेशन बाय वाटर। सम प्लांट्स ग्रो इन वाटर, दे आर कॉल्ड एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स। द प्लांट्स इन वाटर release pollen grains directly into the surrounding water. The pollen grains are carried by the water to the stigma and other flower of the same kind. Pollination by water takes place in water lily and weeds. Next देखिए, by birds. Birds are also an important agent of pollination. They also feed on nectar of flowers and help to pollinate flowers in the same way as done by the insect. Bud pollinated flowers are usually red in color but odorless because most birds do not have a sense of smell. Hummingbirds, sunbirds, and honey eaters are the example of bird pollinator. By animal, besides birds, bats also take part in pollination. The flowers pollinated by bats are usually white in color and give off a very strong smell to attract the bats. Fertilization occurs after pollination. A pollen grain begins to grow when it lands on a stigma. It sends a pollen tube down through the style to an ovule. The male gamete's nucleus moves down through this tube, enters an egg cell, and fuses with the egg cell nucleus. This is called fertilization. The fertilized egg grows into an embryo, and the ovule is converted into seeds. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ सीड फर्टिलाइजेशन की आपको ये नॉवरी किस तरीके से होती है इसकी आपको ये वीडियो इसमें पिक में देख सकते हैं आप। डायग्राम आपको दिखाई जा रही है। Inside a seed consists of three main parts: seed coat, embryo, or an endosperm. Let's read about a seed. The outer covering of a seed is called a seed coat. It protects the seed from drying out. It is also known as testa. Embryo. The embryo is a tiny baby plant. It contains a leaf-like structure called seed leaf or cotyledon. When the seed germinates or begins to grow, the cotyledon becomes the first leaf of the seedling. Photosynthesis takes place in the cotyledon during the germination of dicot. The cotyledon are the first part of the some plants to come out from the soil. Some cotyledons last only a few days after coming out from the soil, and some cotyledons can last from 3 years. Last for years. The seeds which have one cotyledon are called monocotyledon, while seeds with two cotyledons are called dicotyledon. Endosperm, it is food store surrounding an embryo. This store food and help the baby plant to grow. यहाँ पे आपको इस डायग्राम में एंडोस्पर्म क्या है, कोटिलेडन और एम्ब्रियो के बारे में बताया जा रहा है। सीड कोट protects everything inside the seed so that it has a good chance of germination. The seed coat is also called a testa. Some seeds have thin seed coats while others have hard ones. Fruit plants often have a very hard seed coats. नेक्स्ट देखिए, a chickpea seed क्या है। the chickpea seed is shaped like a disc. It यहाँ आप देख भी सकते हैं। It has a thin but tough testa which is colored. A chickpea seed is called a dicotyledonous seed because it has two cotyledons which store food for the embryo until it grows large enough to make its own food. The embryo is made up of three parts: the radicle or the root, the plumule or the first shoot, and one or two cotyledons. अमेज सीड क्या है? अमेज सीड इज सम व्हाट ओवल एंड फ्लैट इन शेप. The outermost covering, which encloses the entire grain, is made up of a fused fruit wall and testa. Seed coat the flat surface at the narrow end has a triangular region which is embryo. The broad yellowish region is called the endosperm. The endosperm contains proton, granulates and starch and some oil. The embryo located beneath the endosperm is enclosed in a shield-shaped single cotyledon, which is why the maize grain is called monocotyledonous. नेक्स्ट देखें. यहाँ आपको fill in the blanks नजर आ रही होंगी. The chickpea seeds are dash disc. The maize seed are ovalent, flattened shape. A seed consists of three main parts: embryo, endosperm and seed coat. The embryo, dicote, seed coat is the three parts है ये, और इसके बारे में भी आपको ऊपर बताया जा सकता है. नेक्स्ट देखें. फंक्शन ऑफ कॉटिलेडन. ये देखें आप. कॉटिलेडन प्रोटेक्ट द बेबी प्लांट आर एम्ब्रियो इनसाइड द सीड. Food stored in the cotyledon soaks up water and soluble substances dissolve in it. The stored food is digested and used by the growing embryo. The seed then begins to germinate. In some seeds, the cotyledon are pushed out of the soil by the growing embryo. They turn green and act as the first leaf. They make food by the or photosynthesis for the growing embryo till new leaves grow on the stem. Then they fall off. The stages of germination क्या है? Germination is the process which a seed grows into a new plant. Usually seeds remain inactive or dormant until they acquire suitable conditions to germinate. When a seed gets the right amount of oxygen, water and warmth, it begins to develop. The root is the first part to appear. The stem develops later. When the seed is planted, it absorbs water from soil. It begins to swell and the seed coat sheds off. The roots starts to grow downwards into the soil to hold the ground. The shoot of the embryo grows upward to give strength to the baby plants. Above light, it develops a stem and leaves that soon turn green. It then able to aid warmth. The cotyledon provide food to the new plant. As it grow bigger, it will be able to prepare its own food and it will continue to grow. If the conditions are suitable for growth, the plant will become stronger. It develop into a fully grown plant. देखें किस तरह से एक बीज के ज़रिए छोटे से बीज को जब मिट्टी में बोया रहता है उसकी अच्छे तरीके से ख्याल रखा जाता है, पानी टाइम पे दिया जाता है, उसकी जर्मिनेशन का सिस्टम चलता है, तो किस तरह से वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक बेबी प्लांट में चेंज होता है, फिर वो एक ग्रोइंग प्लांट बनता है, उसके बाद वो एक बड़ा पौधा या दरख्त बन जाता है. सारा प्रोसीजर जर्मिनेशन प्रोसेस ऑफ अ सीड में आपको देखा जा चुका है. इसके बाद इसका नया टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे जिसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगी जर्मिनेशन इन डाइकोटिलेडन एंड जर्मिनेशन इन मोनोकोटिलेडन. ये हम नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मिलते हैं एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.